Wow, good morning, everybody. My name is Olu Joseph, your mentor, your coach from Superlife Health to Wealth Millionaires Group. And this morning, I have a special edition for you. A lot of people have been asking me on WhatsApp, on Facebook, Mr. Olu Joseph, how do we use Superlife STC 30? So this is what I want to show you this morning on how to use this. It's very easy. Early in the morning, just like this, it's about 6:27 a.m. here in Nigeria. So when you wake up in the morning, you bring out your pack and then you take out a sachet. There are 15 sachets in a pack. So you take one a day, early in the morning. You open it, very easy, straightforward. You open it, you cut it like this. Let me use my teeth. You open it like this. You see? Very easy to do. Open it like this and then open your mouth and put it under your tongue. Under your tongue. Very easy. When you do that, you leave your tongue and the saliva under it will melt it into your body, into your system. That's what you do. Don't swallow it, just allow it a few minutes to melt inside and then it goes straight into your body. That's how to do it. Very easy. And once you are done, 10 to 15 minutes after, you take a bottle of water. Take something like this 60 cl in the morning, and that's all. Then maybe you take during the day, you take another bottle of water so that you have liquid in your system. Okay, very easy. So I will demonstrate it to you now. Very easy. Early in the morning, before you eat, before you do anything, early in the morning as you wake up, you bring out a sachet and then you put it under your tongue. So you take just one per day in the morning from your sachet, from the carton, or from the pack. You take one sachet per day, early in the morning, under your tongue, and then 10 to 15 minutes after, take a bottle of water. Just drink it. Very easy. So that's basically how to do it. Whatever thing you are going through, whatever challenge the health is, all you need is just one. All you need is just one. And if it's a critical case, then you could do morning and evening. First thing in the morning, last thing in the night before you sleep. That is if it's a critical case, but start with one per day. Start with one per day for a few days. And if it's really critical condition you are in, then you can take morning and night. Night, the last thing before you sleep. Put it under your tongue and then you'll allow the saliva under your tongue to melt it. And that is how to go about it. Very easy, very simple. I hope you have learned something this morning. Make a comment below if you have any other question concerning how to use it. All right, so that's what I have for you this morning. God bless you. Bye.